हे इट्स बिन अ वाइल। काफ़ी वक्त हो गया है ना। आई नो कि मुझे ये रिकॉर्ड नहीं करना चाहिए। पता है मुझे यू हैव ब्लॉक्ड मी एवरीवेयर। शायद नंबर भी डिलीट कर दिया होगा। बट साइलेंस इज हैवी। यू नो ये जो खामोशी तुम छोड़ गए हो, इट्स डेफनिंग। इट स्क्रीम्स एट नाइट। टुडे आई एम नॉट हियर जस्ट एज अ होस्ट। आज मैं कोई होस्ट नहीं हूँ। टुडे आई एम जस्ट अ पर्सन सिटिंग इन अ डार्क रूम स्टेयरिंग एट अ स्क्रीन जो पिछले कुछ महीनों से ब्लैंक है। एंड आई एम रिकॉर्डिंग दिस मे बी फॉर यू, मे बी फॉर मी, या शायद उन सब के लिए who have ever been erased. You know what the worst feeling in the world is? It's not breaking up. Breakups तो loud होते हैं. You fight, you cry, चीजें end हो जाती हैं. At least there is a passion in a breakup. कम से कम एक end तो होता है. But ghosting is nothing. It's like reading a book और अचानक से all the pages go blank. No ending, no the end, just white space, सन्नाटा। हमारी जनरेशन की सबसे बड़ी ट्रेजेडी यही है। We have normalized disappearing. We walk into someone's life, make them feel special, चांद तारे तोड़ लाने के वादे करते हैं, and then we vanish like we never existed. और जो इंसान पीछे रह जाता है, the person like me, we start questioning our own reality. क्या वो सच था? Did I imagine it? कमी मुझ में ही थी क्या? पिछले कुछ दिनों से मैं एक पुरानी कहानी पढ़ रही हूँ। द एपिक दैट इज thousands of years old, पर ऐसा लगता है कि कल ही किसी कैफे में मुंबई और दिल्ली में हुई हो। द स्टोरी ऑफ शकुंतला। पीपल से इट्स अ लव स्टोरी, बट मुझे रियलाइज हुआ इट्स नॉट। इट्स द फर्स्ट रिकॉर्डेड केस ऑफ घोस्टिंग इन ह्यूमन हिस्ट्री। ये उस लड़की की कहानी है whom the man promised forever and then forgot her like a bad dream. So, for the next hour, बस सुनो. Imagine this isn't a show. सोचो कि मैं तुम्हारे पास बैठी हूँ, telling you about the time love turned into memory और memory धुएं में उड़ गई. Download the official Radio Udan app from Play Store and App Store and subscribe to our YouTube channel. For more details, log on to www.radioudan.com.
Let's have a bit of fun till I downfall. have a bit of fun till I downfall. My love, if you feel like I do right now, don't say you're on the run to the other side. My love, you say you wanna try, but you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose.
ये है नेक्स्ट का वर्ल्ड, जहाँ हर लफ्ज में इमोशन है, हर वॉइस में वाइब है। आप सुन रहे हैं एक आवाज जो आपके दिल तक जाएगी। दिस इज आशा नेक्स्ट एंड द माइक इज माइन बेबी। लेट्स रिवाइंड, थोड़ा पीछे चलते हैं, बैक टू व्हेन इट वाज गुड, बिकॉज स्टार्टिंग में तो सब परफेक्ट होता है, राइट? शकुंतला, शी वॉज नेचर इटसेल्फ, एकदम इनोसेंट। शी लिव्ड इन कन्वरिशीज आश्रम, दुनिया की चालाकी से दूर। शी टॉक टू टियर, शी वाटर्ड प्लांट्स, शी वॉज कंटेंट। एंड देन एंटर्ड दुष्यंत, द किंग, द मेन कैरेक्टर। तुम कभी किसी ऐसे इंसान से मिले हो, someone who walks into a room and suddenly the energy shifts? He was confident, charming, powerful. He saw her and he stopped. बस देखते रह गए। He said the words that every person wants to hear. देवी, तुम्हारा सौंदर्य इस वन के लिए नहीं है, तुम तो किसी महल की शोभा बढ़ाने के लिए बनी हो। Can you feel that rush? याद करो जब हम मिले थे। Think about those late night texts, those 3 AM calls जहाँ हम दुनिया भर की बातें करते थे। You made me feel seen. Dushyant did exactly that to Shakuntala. He love bombed her. He painted a picture, सपने दिखाए। मैं तुम्हें अपनी पटरानी बनाऊंगा, मेरा पूरा राज्य तुम्हारे चरणों में होगा, मेरे साथ चलो। शकुंतला ने क्या किया? She did what any innocent heart does. उसने भरोसा कर लिया। Because when someone looks into your eyes and promises forever, तो झूठ दिखता ही नहीं है। She gave him everything, her heart, her soul, her body. They got married in the forest, गंधर्व विवाह। ना कोई मेहमान, ना कोई शोर, just nature as the witness. It was perfect. It was the honeymoon phase. And then he had to leave. Of course, he had to leave. Reality हमेशा knock करती है। He said, duty calls Shakuntala, kingdom is waiting. But he gave her something, a promise, the ring. He put his royal signet ring on her finger. प्रिय, इस अंगूठी को देखो, इस पर मेरा नाम लिखा है। रोज एक अक्षर पढ़ना, जब तक तुम नाम पूरा पढ़ोगी मेरा रथ तुम्हें लेने आ जाएगा। That ring, वो अंगूठी, it wasn't just gold, it was proof. In today's world, it's like the relationship status update या वो फोटोज जो हम favorites फोल्डर में रखते हैं। It is the proof that yes, this happened, I'm yours. He left. और वो वहाँ खड़ी रही, holding the ring, watching his chariot disappear into the dust, smiling because she thought the hard part was over. उसे नहीं पता था कि असली खामोशी तो अब शुरू होने वाली थी। Download the official Radio Udan app from Play Store and App Store and subscribe to our YouTube channel. For more details, log on to www.radioudan.com. ये है नेक्स्ट का वर्ल्ड, जहाँ हर लफ्ज में इमोशन है, हर वॉइस में वाइब है। आप सुन रहे हैं एक आवाज जो आपके दिल तक जाएगी। दिस इज आशा नेक्स्ट एंड द माइक इज माइन बेबी। नाउ स्टार्ट्स द टॉर्चर, द वेटिंग गेम। तुम्हें पता है 1 मिनट कितना भारी लगता है when you're waiting for a reply? शकुंतला sat by the river. Days turned into weeks. हफ्ते महीनों में बदल गए. She stopped watering the plants. दोस्तों से बात करना छोड़ दिया. Her eyes were fixed on the horizon. आएंगे, वो आएंगे. This is where the story introduces Durvasa Rishi. Legend says Durvasa came to her ashram, asked for water, but Shakuntala was so lost in Dushyan's thoughts कि उन्हें सुनाई ही नहीं दिया. Angry Durvasa cursed her. तू जिसके ख्यालों में खोई हुई है और मेरा अपमान कर रही है, जा, वो तुझे भूल जाएगा. जिसे तू याद कर रही है उसे तेरा चेहरा भी याद नहीं रहेगा. Now pause. Think about this curse. क्या ये जादू है? Or is it a metaphor for modern life? Durvasa represents reality. When we get so lost in someone's love कि हम अपनी duties, अपने friends, अपनी life भूल जाते हैं, तो reality हमें curse करती है. And Dushyant, why did he forget? Was it the curse? Or was it just out of sight, out of mind? He went back to his city, वापस अपनी पॉलिटिक्स में, अपनी वॉर्स में, अपनी दूसरी रानियों के पास. Maybe Shakuntala was just a vacation romance for him. Maybe he got busy. Sorry, I was caught up at work. Sorry, फोन चेक नहीं किया. शकुंतला यहाँ तड़प रही थी. She was pregnant now, carrying his child, carrying his memory. But from his side, silence. Blue ticks. No reply. कभी फील की है वो एंजाइटी? यू चेक योर फोन, नेट चल रहा है? हाँ. Did he came online? Yes. Last seen 5 minutes ago. तो रिप्लाई क्यों नहीं? She started making excuses for him. शायद कोई बड़ी मुसीबत होगी, शायद वो बीमार होंगे. We do this, right? हम उन्हें डिफेंड करते हैं जो हमें हर्ट करते हैं. We create scenarios to protect our own hearts from breaking. But deep down, she knew. खामोशी गलती नहीं थी. The silence was the answer. Download the official Radio Udan app from Play Store and App Store and subscribe to our YouTube channel. For more details, log on to www.radioudan.com.
I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in their cradles, profanities. I see the world through ice covered in ink and bleach. Cross out the ones who heard my cries and watched me weep. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush. Take my eyes open to force reality. Why can't you just let me eat my weight in glee? I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in their cradles, profanities. Some days I feel skinnier than all the other days. Sometimes I can't tell if my body belongs to me. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush. Content, hold your breath and feel the tension. Devils hide behind redemption. Honesty is a one-way gate to hell. I wanna taste consumption. Eat faster to waste oxygen. Hear the children sing aloud. It's music till the wick burns out. Be carefree lately, yeah. Just picking up days.
लिरिक्स का वर्ल्ड, जहाँ हर लफ्ज में इमोशन है, हर वॉइस में वाइब है। आप सुन रहे हैं एक आवाज जो आपके दिल तक जाएगी। दिस इज आशा नेक्स्ट एंड द माइक इज माइन बेबी। Finally, she couldn't take it anymore. She decided to go to him. हिम्मत चाहिए होती है to chase someone who has stopped chasing you. She walked from the forest to the capital, but on the way, tragedy struck. While crossing a river, the ring, the proof, slipped from her finger and fell into the water. उसे पता भी नहीं चला. She was too focused on seeing him. She enters the royal court. दरबार भरा हुआ था. She sees him sitting on the throne. Her heart races. Finally, अब वो मुझे देखेंगे, दौड़ कर आएंगे. She walks up to him. आर्यपुत्र, मैं आ गई, मैं आपकी शकुंतला. And Dushyant looks up. His eyes are cold, एकदम खाली, like looking at a wall. He asks the question that kills the soul. तुम कौन हो? मैंने तुम्हें पहले कभी नहीं देखा. Can you imagine the shock? ऐसा लगा जैसे किसी ने यादों पर तेजाब डाल दिया हो. She says, I'm your wife. We married in the forest. Look, I'm carrying your child. And he laughs. He humiliates her in front of everyone. झूठ मत बोलो, मैं एक राजा हूँ. मैं तुम्हें नहीं जानता. तुम्हारे पास क्या सबूत है कि तुम मेरी पत्नी हो? This right here is gaslighting. उसने शकुंतला को अपनी ही सच्चाई पर शक करवा दिया. She reached for the ring. I have proof. Look at this. She looks at her finger. It's bare. अंगूठी गायब थी. The screenshot is deleted. The chat is cleared. And without proof, her love was just a story. She stood there, crying, begging him to remember the intimate moments, the words he said, but he just sat there, stone-faced. मुझे कुछ याद नहीं, यहाँ से चली जाओ. Do you know how helpless you feel in that moment? जब आप चीख चीख कर सच बोल रहे हो और सामने वाला बस कंधे उचका दे. You feel small. घिन आती है खुद पर. You feel like you are the crazy one. क्या मैंने सब इमेजिन किया था? That rejection. It doesn't just break your heart. It breaks your dignity. Download the official Radio Udan app from Play Store and App Store and subscribe to our YouTube channel. For more details, log on to www.radioudan.com.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move.
ये है नेक्स्ट का वर्ल्ड, जहाँ हर लफ्ज में इमोशन है, हर वॉइस में वाइब है। आप सुन रहे हैं एक आवाज जो आपके दिल तक जाएगी। दिस इज आशा नेक्स्ट एंड द माइक इज माइन बेबी। शी कुड हैव डाइड देयर। वो वहां गिरकर भीख मांग सकती थी, बट शकुंतला, she did something else. When she realized he wasn't going to accept her, she wiped her tears. She looked at him one last time. प्यार से नहीं, तरस से. Because she knew the truth. She knew she loved honestly. वो झूठ में जी रहा था. She turned around and walked away. She didn't go back to her father. वो रोने के लिए वापस जंगल नहीं गई. She went to a new place, a wilder place, and she raised her son, Bharat, alone. She raised him to be so strong that he counted the teeth of lions. She didn't tell her son, your father left us. She told him, Putra, तुम एक योद्धा हो. Years later, Dushyant found the ring inside a fish. His memory came back. He rushed to find her. पैरों में गिर गया. He apologized. I was cursed. I forgot. But you know what? The apology didn't fix the years she spent alone. She accepted him back because it's mythology. But the Shakuntala who went back was not the same innocent girl. She was a queen who knew her worth. So, that was her story. She didn't burn down the palace. She didn't scream at him. उसने बस accept कर लिया. And maybe that's the only answer we have. I'm not gonna tell you to be a warrior. I'm not gonna tell you to hustle or glow up to make them jealous. क्योंकि सच तो ये है, it hurts. And it's okay that it hurts. Shakuntala didn't stop loving him immediately. It took time. But she stopped waiting. उसने दरवाजे पर खड़े रहना छोड़ दिया. And I think that's what I need to do tonight. I need to stop checking if you have seen my story. I need to stop hoping that the typing indicator will appear. शायद तुम नहीं आओगे. And that sucks. It really sucks. But I have to be okay with that. So, to everyone listening, if you are holding onto a phone hoping for a text that isn't coming, rakh do use. Just put it down. Not because you are strong, but because you are tired. Thak gaye hain yaar hum. Let's just sleep. The ring is lost and maybe we don't need to find it. This is RJ Nix signing off from the Gen Z Sutra. Apna khayal rakhna. Good night. Download the official Radio Udan app from Play Store and App Store and subscribe to our YouTube channel. For more details, log on to www.radioudan.com.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air. Pain I felt is paid for, all is said and done. Oh, I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in. Break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless. Burning the bridge that keeps us. I'm here and I'm feeling fearless. Exaggerated, that's what you assume. A
story's over now, I must conclude. I am conflicted, watching where I step still, hanging in the balance. Not the life I want to live, I want to take it all. Standing tall, fear outweighed the person you are. Oh, break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless. Fearless.